Are you ready to embrace the spirit of a genuine tactical warrior? In this collection, we've curated the top 7 extraordinary tactical military gear and gadgets that are bound to captivate you. Ranging from plate carriers to field jackets, each item is meticulously crafted to uphold the utmost standards of quality and functionality. Let's start with the ABR plate carrier. The ABR plate carrier from 5.11 Tactical is the perfect tactical armor solution for law enforcement officers, military personnel, and security professionals. It's lightweight, durable, and customizable, making it the perfect choice for a variety of missions. One of the unique features of the ABR plate carrier is its convertible briefcase configuration. This allows you to easily transport your plate carrier in public without drawing unwanted attention. To convert the plate carrier into a briefcase, simply fold the shoulder straps and waist strap under the front flap and secure them with the Velcro closure. It also has an external zippered pocket and tuckable 5.11 logo labels, which further enhance its low-vis profile. So, whether you're on patrol, conducting a raid, or simply training, this will provide you the protection and versatility you need to get the job done. Next on our list is the MegaFit holster. This innovative gear securely holds your firearm, ensuring quick and easy access when you need it most. It fits over 100 different pistol models, making it the perfect choice for military personnel, law enforcement officers, and civilian shooters alike. With a durable military-grade polymer, it features a rapid release button for quick and easy access to your pistol. It's also adjustable to different cant and retention levels, so you can customize it to your individual preferences. Another advantage of it is its modularity. It comes with a paddle attachment by default, but can also be fitted with a variety of other accessories, such as belt loops, maul attachments, and drop leg platforms. This makes it possible to carry the holster in a variety of different ways, depending on the needs and mission requirements. If you need a versatile and reliable holster, this could be a perfect choice. It fits all, so no need for multiple holsters. When it comes to tactical pants, the Wolf Combat Pants are exceptional. These pants are specially designed for rugged outdoor activities, providing exceptional comfort and durability. These can handle anything from crawling through mud to rappelling down cliffs. It's made with a blend of 65% polyester and 35% cotton, treated with Teflon to resist water and stains. It also has reinforced Cordura patches on the knees and seat for extra durability. But these pants are more than just tough. They're also comfortable and functional, with a 12-pocket design that provides ample storage space for essential gear. The pockets are also strategically placed for easy access, even when wearing a duty belt or other gear. Its adjustable waistband and knee pad pockets ensure a comfortable and secure fit, even during strenuous activity. It's truly an ultimate gear pants that will help you perform at your best in any situation. Safety should always be a top priority, and the F90 Ballistic Helmet ensures just that. This helmet offers superior protection against ballistic threats while remaining lightweight and comfortable to wear. Made from a proprietary UHMWPE ballistic material, this helmet is 15% lighter than the ACH helmet, the standard ballistic helmet used by the US military. This makes it one of the lightest ballistic helmets on the market, while still providing excellent ballistic protection. It provides a secure fit for all head sizes with its adjustable chin strap and padding. It's also designed to resist fragmentation from grenades and other explosives. Whether you're in combat or engaged in high-risk operations, the F90 Ballistic Helmet has got you covered. Every tactical enthusiast needs a reliable and versatile knife, and the Tops Knives Pit Stop 3 is perfect. It has a 3-inch blade of high-carbon steel, which is tough, razor-sharp, and easy to maintain. The blade has a black traction coating that prevents rust and gives it a tactical look. Plus, the handle is made of tan canvas micarta, which is ergonomic, slip-resistant, and has a built-in bottle opener for your refreshment. It comes with a black Kydex sheath that has a beta loop clip and a beaded neck chain, so you can carry it on your belt or around your neck. The Pit Stop 3 is a perfect knife for combat, survival, camping, or everyday carry. It's a reliable tool that will make your mission easier whether you use it for self-defense, hunting, bushcraft, or EDC tasks. If you are looking for a pair of boots that can handle any terrain and weather, you might want to check out the Strike Force 6.0 boots. These boots are designed for military, law enforcement, and outdoor enthusiasts who need durability, comfort, and performance. These boots are made of waterproof leather and nylon, which keep your feet dry and protected. They also have a non-metallic composite shank that adds support and stability without adding extra weight. Additionally, it has a padded collar and tongue, a removable ortholite sock liner, and a full-length EVA midsole that provides cushioning and breathability. The boots have a side zip that makes them easy to put on and take off, as well as metal hardware that is scanner safe. So, no matter if you're on a mission or spending a day in the great outdoors, these boots will keep your feet in comfort and protected. The Covert M65 jacket is a modern version of the classic military field jacket. It is designed for covert operations, where you need to blend in with the crowd and carry your essentials discreetly. The jacket is made of durable and weather-resistant, Duracanvas fabric, and has a hidden hood in the collar. It has multiple pockets, including a detachable one that can be used as a fanny pack. The jacket also has inner pockets for magazines and outer pockets that can act as dump pouches. Plus, it has a breakaway zipper and Canadian buttons for quick access and closure. It's such a versatile and reliable tactical military gear that will keep you warm and ready for any situation. And this concludes our list of the 7 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.